In this video, we're going to show you the feature of our one-touch AutoFold on the 50 Series Patriot. All 50 Series Patriots will be equipped with one-touch AutoFold. To activate the folding functionality, there's a button on the right-hand console. To unfold the boom, we'll press and hold the button in the downward position to unfold the booms. And once you see that the boom is unfolded and in the spray position, you'll see on your auto boom screen that our auto boom has been enabled and ready to be activated in the job. Once you're finished with your job, to fold the boom in the folded position, you just push and hold the button in the up position and the boom will load and cradle in the cradle position. One new feature on all of our booms now is we do have automated boom locks, so when the boom is put into the cradle position and the machine starts to move forward, the boom locks will automatically engage and keep the booms secured in the cradle.